Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe para lagi tayong huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about solving problems involving factors of polynomials. Continuation po ito sa ating last video natin kahapon. Okay, so proceed agad tayo sa ating example. The product of 1 more than a number and 4 less than the number is 36. Find the number. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dito, we have to translate the problem. Translate natin ito. The product of 1 more than a number, ibig sabihin that is ito yung number, yung x, tapos yung 1 more than, okay, that is plus 1. Tapos yung isa, and 4 less than the number. Ibig sabihin, x minus 4. Okay? Then is, that is equal, yun ang meaning ng is, equal 36. Okay, hanapin natin yung number. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, we have to apply or use the FOIL method to solve this one. Itong x plus 1 times x minus 4 kasi ito yung product. Okay, the product. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin yan. So, first, that is x squared. Tapos, outer, negative 4x. Inner, that is positive x. Huwag mo na isulat yung 1. Then, last is negative 4. Okay, that is equal to 36. So, simplify natin. X squared minus 3x. Okay, si 4x or negative 4x plus x, si negative 3x na. Okay, then, itong kopyahan natin si negative 4, tapos ito si positive 36, transpose natin sa left. So, magiging negative 36. Then, equal 0. So, x squared, that is, kopyahin si negative 3x, combine natin yan, so that is negative 40 equals 0. Okay, so ngayon, solve na naman natin ito using the general quadratic trinomial when a is 1. Okay, so a is 1, b is negative 3, c is negative 40. Yung AC natin is negative 40 kasi 8 times C or 1 times negative 40 is negative 40. So, hanap tayo ng mga possible factors of negative 40. Okay, so mga possible factors of negative 40, 5 times 8, di ba? 5 times 8, so 5 times 8, try natin si negative 5 times 8, that is negative 40. Pero yung sum nila dapat is negative 3. So, yung sum nila, negative 5 plus 8 is positive 3. So, hindi pwede. So, dapat negative. So, baliktarin natin. Negative 8 times 5, that is negative 40. Tama pa rin. Tama siya. Try natin sa sum. Negative 8 plus 5. Okay, that is negative 3. Okay, so ito na yung factor natin kasi yung b is negative 3. So, yung factor natin, negative 8 at saka 5. So, therefore, this is x minus 8 kasi ito yung first factor. Tapos yung isa, x plus 5. Equate natin into 0. Then, x minus 8 equals 0. Yung isa naman, x plus 5 equals 0. So, x is equal to positive 8. Yung isa, x is equal to negative 5. So, try natin i-check using this equation. Okay, pwede rin ito, pwede rin ito. Okay? So, x squared minus 3x minus 40 equals 0. Try natin una si 8. So, this is 8 squared minus 3 times 8 minus 40 equals 0. So, 8 times 8, that is 64. Minus 24 minus 40 equals 0. 64 minus 24, that is 40. Minus 40 equals 0. Okay, so therefore the x is 8 is correct. What about yung x is equal to negative 5? Same equation, x squared minus 3x minus 40 equals 0. X is negative 5 squared minus 3 times negative 5 minus 40 equals 0. So, this is positive 25. Kasi dalawang negative na, or kapag mag-multiply tayo ng same sign, the result is positive. Ito naman, this is positive 15 minus 40 equals 0. Sorry. So, 25 plus 15 is 40. Minus 40 equals 0. So, 0 equals 0. So, therefore, our answer is correct. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so maraming salamat and God bless.